Okay, so let's start. So we had the last lecture, we have the speak English language fluently. كان عندنا تحت اللغة الإنجليزية بطلاقة. Okay.
ستة بتمثل يعني ثاني واحد question 2.
Okay. So we'll start the check. Here we have, so we have question 2. We are going to start with a question 2. Question 2 says, what are the characteristics of the good neighbors? Okay. I'll give you also here 2 minutes for reviewing. After that, I'll start asking you. So prepare yourself. So here you have the following questions. Okay, what are, the characteristics of a good neighbor? Difficult? Okay. نعم. لا sorry بصل. Yes, okay, sorry. So here we have the following question. The question says, what are the characteristics of the good neighbors?
In my opinion, a good neighbor should be helpful and trustworthy, helpful when an urgent help, when urgent help is needed, the first one who can help or can help is a good neighbor.
Yes.
And also when you trouble you need a trustworthy, a good neighbor take care of your house. In addition, a good neighbor shouldn't be noisy. If you have a noisy neighbor, yes, you can never be relaxed. On the other hand, a good neighbor shouldn't be noisy. If you have a noisy person around who is snobbing,
Who's always snobbing, yes,
you will no privacy.
Okay. You will feel no privacy. Okay, thank you very much as well. So the next question that we have also, question 3. Question 3 says, what is your favorite holiday? Use reasons and details to support your response. I'll give you also here 2 minutes for reviewing. Dr. المراجعة. Okay, so what is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is New Year's because it is only the time during the year that all the members of families get together and have fun. Also, it is the longest holiday in year. On the first day of the New Year, older people usually give a gift to younger ones.
Yes.
And I enjoy the gift giving party very much. Meanwhile, during this holiday, most of people travel both inside and
outside the country.
And we do a lot of sightseeing.
And yes, we do a lot of sightseeing. Okay, great example as well. So we have here question, okay. Yes, question 4 says, so which person has helped you the most to get where are you today? And how has he or she helped you? نعم أوكي. أم في بلقيس بس كتبي لي بالتفاصيل 20 وصفحة ترجمة، 20 صفحة ترجمة بالوصل، صوري لي الوصل، فقط الوصل. لا هو لا أقدر معقد، فقط الوصل. Yes. Yes.
There are two people in my lifetime who helped me the most to improve and develop, but academically and financially. My father, the first one who helped me in my financial development. He gave me a lot of things about business, and he provided me the fund that I need.
Yes, with the fund that I needed.
My mother, on the other hand, she was a unique friend in my life, and she helped me. She helped me a lot in emotional issues. She was a good teacher. Also, she was a good teacher in my lesson. She was a good teacher to help me in my lesson and pave the way for the academic progress.
Yes, it helped me in my academic progress. Okay, great. So, yes, we will have also here the next question, question 5. Question 5 says, if you suddenly got $10 million, what would you spend it on? Okay. Yes, great. So, yes, if you suddenly got $10 million, what would you spend it on?
Yes, if I suddenly got $10 million,
I'm not sure.
لا راح أعيد. If I suddenly got $10 million, I'm not sure if I would have a heart attack or not. But if I survived, I would buy a house in north of Iraq. I have always dreamed
I have always dreamt
of having. I would also buy a car, especially BMW. Of having a place with a nice
cheesecake.
Like it. I would also buy a car, especially BMW. Because it is very fast and convenient. Yes. By having such a car, I can enjoy driving more. I also, in addition, on the other hand, I would invest my money in stock exchange. And I live all my life in
to the full. And I live my life to the full. Okay, great, excellent. So as I think it's clear, so yes, was the last question, I think. Okay, great. So now we'll move on here. Let's check here what the extra things that we didn't study. So here we have a real situation. Let's talk about the real situation. Uh, so as I think, we have studied, okay, just checking at the hotel on this way. So let's move on to here to another conversation that we will have it today. So we had yes, checking at the hotel. Today we'll